friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen cauliflower in the air fryer. All we need is a package of frozen cauliflower. No need to defrost, we're cooking it straight from frozen. So all we need to do to cook it is just open the package of frozen cauliflower, open the air fryer basket, and put frozen cauliflower in the air fryer. And now I'm going to put the basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 10 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this cauliflower. It looks amazing, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. I do recommend cutting the thickest one and making sure it's cooked all the way through, because if you have a larger package of frozen cauliflower, it's going to take much longer to cook. This was a very small package, so all it took was 10 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. But normally, I don't have a video of fresh cauliflower that's not frozen, but I have a much larger amount of cauliflower and it takes longer than that. So the time really depends on how much cauliflower is in there, how small are the pieces. So please try the thickest one. If it tastes cold or still frozen, put it back in the air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for an additional 5 minutes and check again. And cook it until it looks like this and it's perfectly cooked. So let's take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. And at this point, you can sprinkle it with your favorite seasonings. I like to season it afterwards because seasonings don't stick to frozen food very well. So just season it after cooking. I'll keep it simple and sprinkle with some salt and black pepper. But of course, you can use seasonings of your choice. Look how good it looks. It just has this nice black grill marks. It looks like freshly grilled or broiled cauliflower, but it's really air fried from frozen. Who could think that frozen food could look like that? Compare it to the microwave. Microwave one is mushy, air fried one is crispy. Looks so good. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. Tastes so delicious. It's perfectly cooked, yet still crispy. Has this deeply roasted flavor. So good. I can't believe it's frozen, or it was frozen, and now it's air fried. Amazing flavor. You will love this method. Please give it a try. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!